agak ini serenang gitu.
Wow.
Oh, it's okay. Yes. Oh. You are from where? Italy? You can squeeze this. Arabica is always smaller. Arabica is usual has caffeine lower, but more acid has caffeine higher. So Balinese drink Robusta instead of Arabica. A day, that's good. And I collected from people all over Bali, you know. That's what you know, that this animal we can't feed with beans because they go for e quindi dice no.
Kemana lu mundur buat aja dua saya kamu. Di luar kopi ya?
Luwak kopi.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, this chocolate mandarin.
Coconut, vanilla, mocha. Itu juga.
It's the wine. Smells strong, yeah, but taste is stronger.
Горячая вода и мешая и пить сразу. Потом сигарету.
Mereka ganggu aku ya itu ikat.
Try this.
What is that?